welcome to the live. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thanks for that thumbs up. Really appreciate it. Hey, Moya's Way, how you doing? How's everything? Long time no hear from you. What's going on? It's like you gave up on YouTube. Don't forget to thumbs up, guys. Please. You can double tap your screen. Craig, what's going on, my brother? How's everything? Blessings to all, blessings to all. I'm here in Texas, heading to Florida. Just got off work. I hear you, brother. I'm always working. Even when I'm not working, I'm working. I hear you. Yeah, I'm trying to get out of Texas. Me and Texas not friends. I don't like Texas. I don't like the traffic in Texas. Happy member, welcome. You remember what it feels like, huh? Yeah, I'm trying to get on. Well, it's not that bad now with the rush hour traffic, but I just want to get out of Texas. Just get out. I don't usually come down here. They ask me to do them a favor. So I said no problem. Yeah. Oh God. I'll be in Florida by I'll say 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. Blessings, blessings, blessings. I'll drive safe. Team Happy members, welcome. Yeah, man. You know what's up with Texas? It's signs. If you get off, say you get on a highway, you just get on. They'll have a sign to get off your next exit on the other side of the highway. I'm like, makes no sense. You don't even go not even a quarter mile and you're so if you go a certain place. They're just too confusing, man. And if you're not careful, almost every highway, especially in Dallas, Fort Worth, and all those places, almost every one of the highways now is a toll road, a toll road, a toll road. That's why I set my GPS for no tolls. Oh, you was on Princess AG TV earlier. That was Princess AG TV. Village Food. I'm AG Born. You was the Princess AG. That's who you was on earlier, brother. Alright, my man. My phone keep telling me to say command. People, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. I just can't wait to get out of this state, man. When I hit Louisiana, it's more open roads. The only traffic I might run into is over there by Baton Rouge. That's it. Everything else is open roads. Open. Well, to be honest with you, New Jersey's a little better than Texas. I'm being honest with you. New Jersey, I think, is a little better than Texas. Texas and California, those two right there. Oh, God. You can't pay me to drive over in California no more. Last time I was driving in California, I had to go 25 miles, and it took me 3.5 hours. 25 miles. And I said I'll never drive back out here again. Oh, that noise you're hearing, basically saying I'm going faster than the truck in front of me is telling me to slow down. Team Happy Village Food. I was on your live earlier, man. Team Happy members, thank you for coming. Welcome. Oh boy. Have about, I don't have too far to get out of Texas. Right now I'm at mile marker. Where's the mile marker? Where's the mile marker? I'm at 8 something. Hold on. Soon tell you. Welding equipment coming in Texas. Oil rig, welding equipment. I'm at mile markers 867. Yeah, I'm almost out of here. I'm almost over here. Gonna be on this for a little while because they still doing it over there. Check station. Yeah, the westbound check station open. Texas don't play. Tired. Been at it since 6 this morning. Team happy members. Welcome, welcome, welcome to this drive time. It must be, let me see. Must be morning over there, I think, in the Philippines. What time is it in the Philippines? It's 6. Nope, I'm on Central Time. It's 5:36 here. What time is it in the Philippines? Sandy, what's going on? How you doing? Village Food, what time is it where you at right now? Everybody put down where you at or where you from and what time is it there, please. Richard Boo, Miss Australia, how you doing? Welcome to Drive Time. I appreciate you coming over. Oh, 1 second there. Village Food. Check out Mitchie Boo's station. Mitchie Boo, you can check out Village Food too. Sandy, check out Mitchie Boo. Village Food is a good supporter. Very good supporter. Also, Mitchie Boo. I really appreciate you guys coming over. Keep my company while I try to get out of Texas. I really appreciate you catching the live. I really appreciate it. Ah, good old Canada. Good old Canada. Oh, you're on the other side of Canada. It's 340, okay. You're over there near over the Washington State area on that side. There you go. Thank you, Mitchie Boo. Oh my God. The only thing I like about these roads is the speed limit. That's the only thing I like with Texas. The speed limit. Guys, don't forget when you come in to thumbs up the video. Please give the video a like. And again, if you just come in, welcome to Drive Time. I really appreciate you, Mitchie Boo. These driving segment, that's the new name for it, Drive Time. So, whenever I get the chance, I just jump on. But And sometimes I have to jump off real quick because they have check stations, and I don't like going through a check station with, the live on. I don't like going through it even talking on my phone. Guys, if you don't have Princess AGTV, go check out Princess AGTV, please. Also, you have another channel, right, Michibu? You could put the link for your other channel in here too. Alright, merge right. I'll be out of Texas in 4.5 months. Thank God. Woo. When I leave here, Texas, I'll be headed into Louisiana. This is the bottom part of the United States, I-10. There you go. Let me move over because one lane is going to end over here. That guy comes up. Come on, there you go. Alright, so come on the highway, driving slow. Like I said, whenever you hear that beep, that means the person in front of me is going slow. Slower than me. And it just wanted me to slow down. In about 2 miles, we'll be crossing over the border to Louisiana. Oversized vehicle in front of me. Alright, buddy. I should slow down. We're in a construction zone. See the border. Alright, buddy. Come on now. Come on now. I am officially out of Texas. It's Louisiana state line. Guess what? I have to come off, but there's a wait station up here, and I guarantee they're gonna pull me in because this load is very heavy. I appreciate all you guys